Welcome everybody. Today we are going on an insane photo mission. We're up here at Brighton Ski Resort. They're having their annual fireworks show. Basically they have two lifts that are open for night skiing, and then everything else is closed, including this lift here. The special thing about this lift is that it goes to the very top of the mountain, and we got granted access to shoot the fireworks at the very top of the mountain. So it's gonna be insane. We have a cat that's coming down to us right now. They're gonna take us up and drop us off. And not only are we gonna be shooting fireworks, which is gonna be insane because we're gonna be above the clouds, hopefully, but we're also gonna be riding down in the pitch black darkness. No one else is gonna be up there. If I crash, I am screwed. I'm gonna have headlamps and some lights to kind of light the way. I also have my GoPros, so can get some cool footage for you guys, but we got about 20 minutes till they get here, so it's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned, let's get it. Thanks again. Sweet. Best Uber drive ever. Remind me your name again?
I'm Jesse.
Jesse, hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you so much. Hey, thank you again. Really appreciate it. Thanks. See ya. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are alone on top of the freaking mountain. Woo. I don't know how much you can see right now. We'll try to save it in post, but holy crap. Okay guys, we have made it up on the mountain. The weather's actually really not bad. The storm is kind of cleared out, and I'm hoping, we got fireworks starting in about 5 minutes, so I'm hoping we get the shot. If not, it's not that big of a deal. This is quite the adventure regardless. Big shout out to the cat drivers for taking me up here. Man, I have so much respect for those guys. I can't imagine how scary that is, like being up on the edge of a cliff. Yeah, mad respect. So I'm gonna switch over to photo and see if we can get some photos. If not, I'm gonna switch to my GoPro and we're just gonna mob down this mountain. So it's gonna be fun. No! They're going off. That's how thick this storm is. Can't see shit. Well, we tried our best. I'm gonna switch over to GoPro now, and hopefully these shots look crazy. I think they will, just because of the circumstances, but enjoy, and I'll update you guys soon. Okay, we got the GoPro on. We're gonna switch to this pole mount, and I got my headlamp going now. We're also gonna use this light to help us with just kind of like seeing stuff. It's gonna be insane. I'm super hyped. Let's freaking get it.